How to swipe to go back on iOS 18. Let's get started. If you have recently upgraded to iOS 18, you might have noticed a few changes, especially with navigation. Today, I'm going to show you how to swipe to go back on iOS 18 and make navigating smoother and faster. So let's start with the basics. On iOS 18, just like previous versions, you can swipe from the left edge of the screen to go back. For example, if you are in settings, just swipe from the left edge and you will be taken to the previous page. You can see that. This swipe to go back gesture works in many apps like Messages, Safari and Photos. Just drag your finger from the left edge of your screen and it will take you back. Easy, right? And there you go. Swiping to go back on iOS 18 is simple and makes navigating through apps a breeze. Let me know in the comments if this helped you out. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more iOS tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.